Hi friends, this video shows how to insert SIM card. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. On the left side of this iPhone, here we can find SIM tray. So first we have to eject this SIM tray. So we can use SIM remover pin. This is a SIM remover pin. This pin we have to insert into this hole. So let me insert, then press done. After that we can take this SIM tray outside like this. See, done. Next I am going to insert SIM card into SIM tray. So we can insert it like this. Okay, done. After that, this tray we can insert into iPhone. We have to note the position of this hole when we put SIM tray back. So we can insert it like this. Then press done. See. So this way we can insert SIM card. See, here you can see the signal. That means this iPhone has identified the SIM card which I inserted. So this way we can insert SIM card. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.